Embark on a journey of sensory awakening with mindful eating. Begin by engaging with your food. Regard its colors, smell its aromas, anticipate its flavors. Recognize the moment of consumption as an encounter with the earth's generosity, the farmer's toil, the journey from seed to table. This first step is an opening a gateway to presence, where each bite becomes a universe of taste. It's an act of gratitude, a paean to the present, where eating slowly reveals the narrative hidden within the nourishment. Notice the textures, the temperature, the spice, and the sweetness, and let the act of eating become a meditation. In the quiet presence of the first bite, what revelations of taste and texture might alight? Hunger speaks a primal language. Learn to understand its cues. It whispers of needs, of balance, of the body's innate wisdom. Mindful eating honors these signals, distinguishing physical hunger from emotional appetites. It's a dialogue with oneself, a question and answer with the body's true cravings. Are you eating out of hunger or habit, for nourishment or comfort? Observe the responses without judgment and let them guide your choices. This understanding is a compass in the landscape of consumption, directing you to eat with intention and recognition, transforming the act of eating into a practice of self-care and self-awareness. How do we discern the body's true call, distinguishing hunger's reality from emotional thrall? The art of preparation is a ritual steeped in mindfulness. It is the alchemy of transforming ingredients into sustenance, an active meditation. As you wash, chop, and cook, be fully present. Observe the transformation from raw to cooked, the melding of flavors, the symphony of scents. Each action is deliberate, a step in the dance of creation. This is where the ritual of mindfulness begins well before the first morsel reaches your lips. It's an appreciation of food's journey and your role in bringing it to fruition. Let the kitchen become a sanctuary, where each meal is an offering to health and happiness. In the kitchen's dance, what secrets do we learn as we stir and chop and churn? Mindful eating is the conscious experience of nourishment. It's the slow savoring of each bite, the mindful chewing, the pause between tastes to reflect on the flavors and feelings evoked. It's the practice of placing down your utensils between bites, of engaging with the food story and its journey to your plate. This scene is not just about the act of eating but the space you create around it, free from distraction, focused on the sensations and the satisfaction derived from the meal. It is here, in this mindful space, that eating becomes an act of communion with the moment, a feast for the soul as much as the body. What truths does the quietude of mindful eating reveal? And in its reverence, what might we heal? Integrating mindfulness into eating transforms it from an act to a practitia, part of your being. It's the conscious choice to carry the principles of presence and appreciation into every meal, to make each dining experience a reflection of your commitment to mindfulness. This integration signifies a shift, a rebirth of habits, where consumption becomes a deliberate part of your spiritual practice. Mindful eating then extends beyond the table, influencing how you interact with the world, fostering compassion and empathy. It is a ritual that nourishes not just the body but nurtures the soul, fostering a harmonious relationship with food, self, and the earth. As mindfulness weaves into the tapestry of daily life, how does it change our communal strife?